Fine girl, I heard that you cannot do your makeup. Do you know it's a shame? It's very shameful. Anyway, it's no shade. That's why I took it upon myself to teach you how to do the clean girl makeup tutorial, because I don't want to catch you in 2026 saying you don't know how to do your makeup. So if you want your makeup to look this clean, soft, then this video is for you, because I'll be showing you everything I did to achieve this beautiful look.
Boy, I've been watching you.
Off with my moisturizer. One thing you should never miss or skip when doing your makeup is what? Skin prep, because you need your makeup to be on a clean canvas. Anyway, my moisturizer is from Cosmetics. Okay, when you are done applying, just allow it to sink into the skin before moving on to apply any other product on your face. Okay, the primer I'm using for this look is from LA Girl. Okay, please note that your primers don't go under the eyes, right? Focus on your T-zone areas. Okay, this is a hydrating primer by the way. So if you have like oily skin, after applying your hydrating primer, go in with your mattifying primer. That helps to control oil, okay, and help your makeup to last longer for those that have oily skin, right? For foundation, I'll be using L'Oreal in the shade 35. This foundation is full coverage, okay, but it's still light and keeping it clean. I don't know if you can grab what I'm trying to say. Please, so let's not forget, if you have hyperpigmentation, please don't skip color correcting. Make sure you color correct before you move into apply your foundation. Very, very important. Can you take a minute to clap for my foundation? Can you see that match? Can you see it? Anyways, let me teach you with this hack. I'm going to go ahead now to set this foundation. It makes the makeup last longer. Okay, copy it. Let's not forget, the setting spray is from Kiss Beauty. For cream contour, I'm using this Avoir in the shade 35. Okay, it's Avoir foundation. In case you don't have like a contour stick, you can use this. Okay, that is one beautiful thing about makeup, right? One product can do one or two things for you. Okay, so I don't want to catch you saying it's all these things I'm going to buy. It's none of them. Don't give excuse. Let me say this, your contour should be 2 shades darker than your foundation. Okay, place it on your forehead, then trace here from the beginning of your ears. That's where you place your contour. Okay, note that. Blend, 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 and blend. The beauty of makeup is proper blending, like smooth blending. For concealer, we're using this LA Girl in the shade Found. If you know, you know. This is OG before IG. I'm not gonna lie. This is affordable and yet it gets the work done. Like, when applying your concealer, please don't do too much. This look don't need that. You're going for like a clean and soft look, okay? Yes, so keep it minimal. I'll go ahead again to spray my Kiss Beauty spray on it and allow it to sit for some minutes before blending it out. You see how my base is looking? Well blended. This is how you're supposed to look if you follow the real process, if you don't rush your skin prep. For setting off my face, I'm going to be using this Sacha Butter setting powder. When setting your under eye, please go in layer by layer. That will help you to control the placement of products, okay? Please, so make sure you dust off excess powder before you apply under your eyes, okay? Remember, for your setting, you are pressing into the skin, okay? Layer by layer. To set my entire face, I'm going to be using a powder that is my shade, right? Next is powder contour. You're going to apply it to the same place you applied your cream contour. Okay? Be generous with your application again. So next is baking, okay? For baking, you just place, right? You just place. And the essence of baking is to make sure that our under eye pops. For nose contour, I'll be using the same powder I use for my powder contour, okay? For your nose contour, what you just need to do is use a fluffy brush and apply it gently. Next up is our eyebrows. So I'm going to just fill in. You see how sharp on my pencil is pointed, and you start to fill in. Don't fill in my eyebrows. Next thing I'm going to do is to use the same concealer I used to conceal my face for my brows, okay? Using a flat brush. Please, your main focus should be on the brow bones. same concealer I use for my eyebrows, to conceal my eyebrows, I'm going to use it as my eyeshadow base, okay? Just place it both eyes and blend. Next up, I'm going to go ahead to set concealer. Sure, I'm not going to be doing too much at all. By the way, my eyeshadow palette is from Very Good, okay? I'm going to be putting like a shimmer shade here. Let me say this thing, please, if you're a beginner and you are buying a makeup product, always buy eyeshadow that has matte and shimmer. It will save you a lot because you can use this shimmer as your what? As your highlighter. Next up is my waterline, okay? If you don't have your gel liner, I would advise you to do the same thing because I don't have gel liner now. What I'm doing is I used my eyeshadow, then mixed it with a setting spray, and that's that. Okay, that is a beautiful hack. Can you see? You tell the difference, you can't tell the difference. I'm done with my eyes. I'm not going to be fixing false lashes. It's up to you. If you want, you can do that. Next up is lining our lips. My gloss, I'm going to be using this new shade from TIKTOK Cosmetics. It's too bright. I'm going to tone it down with this shade. Just the dots. Next up is my powder blush. So I'm going to be using this palette from Effortless. Please, your blush application should be here on top of your cheekbone. Please. Next up is to set the entire face. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using my eyeshadow palette for it. Let's see if it's going to give us the same thing. Why not if not? So, can you see the color? Because we didn't use false lashes for this look, I'm going to be using this mascara to just brush out my natural lashes. Guys, and this is the final result that we achieved. Tell me what you think in the comment section, because I think this makeup, it's a less no crumbs. It's giving the stunning is me. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Honestly, this makeup is giving that girl clean, soft, everything 10 10 10 10 across board. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your loved ones. Okay, I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching.